Welcome to English-based skill. It's time to learn. Lesson number 7, reading practice. Are you ready? So let's get started. I can be a good eater and finish my vegetables. Repeat again. I can be a good eater and finished my vegetables. Now your turn. I can be patient while waiting in line. Repeat. I can be patient while waiting in line. Now your turn. I can be kind to animals and give them food. Repeat again. I can be kind to animals and give them food. Now your turn. I can be a good friend and share my toys. Repeat again. I can be a good friend and share my toys. Now your turn. I can be happy by playing with friends. Repeat again. I can be happy by playing with friends. Now your turn. I can be brave when I try new foods. Repeat again. I can be brave when I try new foods. Now your turn. I can be a good problem solver by thinking. Repeat again. I can be a good problem solver by thinking. Now your turn. I can be a good citizen by saying kind words. Repeat again. I can be a good citizen by saying kind words. Now your turn. I can be helpful by picking up trash. Repeat again. I can be helpful by picking up trash. Now your turn. I can be responsible for my school bag. Repeat again. I can be responsible for my school bag. Now your turn. I can be a helper by setting the table. Repeat again. I can be a helper by setting the table. Now your turn. I can be a good listener when my teacher talks. Repeat again. I can be a good listener when my teacher talks. Now your turn. I can be creative with my coloring. Repeat again. I can be creative with my coloring. Now your turn. Now it's time to say goodbye to all my loving kiddos. See you in the next video. Till then, bye. Do subscribe us for more latest educational videos.